Okay, so this one's from my new book, Second Helpings, Delicious Dishes to Transform Your Leftovers, and it's all about the cheese. If you've got leftovers from your cheese board or bits and bobs hanging out in the fridge that need using up, we're going to turn them into a delicious, creamy, cheesy, divine cheese tart. So line your tart tin with puff pastry and blind bake it, and then in a bowl mix together some milk, cream, eggs, lots of cheese, chives and salt and pepper. Now line your blind baked pastry case with chutney, whatever you've got, a fruity one is lovely, and then pour over your eggy cheesy mixture. Don't forget to add some extra cheese on top because you can never get too much cheese, and bake that for about 25 to 30 minutes and you'll end up with something like this. You can use any kind of cheese you like in the tart. I like to use about 1/4 of grated mozzarella. That's the dry stuff, not the fresh stuff, because it'll become too wet, but any other delicious cheese you've got. So there you have it, a yummy cheese and chutney tart made with leftover bits of cheese. For more delicious things to do with your leftovers, you'll find more recipes in my new book. It's called Second Helpings.